Hey there everyone, welcome to Tech Basis. Today's video is all about how to download the Oriental Bank app. Let's get started. Grab your phone or tablet and open your App Store. Depending on your device, it will either be the Google Play Store or the App Store. In the search bar at the top, type in Oriental Bank app. And you should see the official Oriental Bank app appear. It will be labeled as Oriental Mobile. Now tap on the app icon and then hit install or get depending on your device. The app will download and install automatically. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a few seconds or a minute. Once the download is complete, tap on open to launch the app. And that's how you get Oriental Bank app in your device. If you have any question or run into any trouble, leave a comment below and I'll try my best to help you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching.